Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating.
Forget about the old ways. There are so many ways you can make French learning the most fun experience you've ever had. Wanna know how? Let's dive in. On attaque. First, we divide the types of learners into two groups: solo learners and group study. As a solo or independent learner, you can still enjoy learning in many ways. Step one is always planning. An effective planner is like a roadmap to success. So make sure to make an effective planner. Do you love music, movies, or reading books? What is it that you enjoy the most? Tag it to your everyday French learning and see the magic. Let's explore how to achieve it. Music lovers can create a playlist of French songs or artists. Try to understand the lyrics and sing along to improve your pronunciation and vocabulary. Websites like Lyrics Translate can help you with the translations. If you love binge watching, watch French films or TV shows with subtitles. Start with English subtitles, then switch to French as you become more comfortable. This will help you a lot with listening skills and cultural understanding. Pick up French novels, comics, or magazines that match your level of proficiency. Start with children books if you're a beginner, and gradually move to more complex literature. Follow French cooking channels and blogs and try out recipes in French. This will introduce you to the culinary vocabulary and you can practice reading and listening comprehension. Explore French art history or follow contemporary French artists. Trust me, you'll never get bored or run out of new topics when exploring the world of French art. You can learn about different art movements and vocabulary related to techniques and styles. If you're into gardening, learn about gardening by following French-speaking gardeners on social media or reading French gardening books. This will help you pick up vocabulary related to plants, tools, and gardening techniques. If you're into sports, follow French sports news, watch games with French commentary, or join a French-speaking sports community. This will expose you to sports-related vocabulary and expressions. Now let's talk about learning French in a group. Here are some of the examples of activities that can make group learning fun. You can host a French karaoke night where everyone tries to sing French songs. You might have to tolerate some unusual sounds, but that's what makes it more fun. It's a great way to practice pronunciation and learn new vocabulary. You can create scenarios where each person plays a character in a French-speaking setting, like a cafe or a supermarket. This encourages conversation and quick thinking in French. You can organize a cooking session where you prepare a French dish together, using only French to read the recipe and communicate. Make sure not to burn everything. You can even start a film club where you watch a French movie together and discuss it afterwards in French. This can include modern films, classics, French animations, or even French series. Choose a topic and have a debate in French. This will help with forming arguments and speaking fluently under pressure. You can also play board games that require communication, like Pictionary or Taboo, but with a twist that everything has to be in French. You can even select a French book to read and then discuss it in group. This can be adapted to different levels by choosing books of varying complexity. Pair up with someone and teach each other your native language for half the time, okay? And then switch to French for the other half. You can organize trivia nights with questions about French culture, history, and language. This is a fun way to learn new facts and challenge each other. Who doesn't like to go scavenger hunting? So how about creating a scavenger hunt with clues in French? This activity can be done indoors or outdoors. It also encourages problem solving in the targeted language. I hope by following these tips, you can turn your French language journey into an amazing adventure. Au revoir, à bientôt.
You don't want love, love, love.